Hi, if you're wondering how you can change out the water filter indicator unit here on your Brita Aluna model, it's quite easy to do. You need a little screwdriver or something that you can prise in here. You can buy replacement ones from eBay for around about £3 UK. We will put a link down in the description down below. So it doesn't matter too much if you damage this because you're going to be replacing it anyway. There is a battery inside, but it's going to be too destructive to change out. So what you need to do is you need to get under this part here and you need to prise up a little bit. And then again, if you use your screwdriver or even something which is flatter and wider would be better, you can then go along the side here and nice and gently prise up, and you can go around this side and prise up as well, and then it will come out like this. This is where the battery is, but it's been glued around here. So you could change the battery out by breaking off the glue, but it's going to be too destructive, hence the reason they're just replaceable for around about £3. Then when you get your replacement one, you just put it in with the start up to this little notch here, put it into place and just click it back home. Then to reset it, you just need to keep pressing start until you have the 4 bars and leave it like that. And once you see the little dot flashing here, you know then that it's been reset. Obviously do that when you change your filter, then when it runs out, it's time to change your filter again. Thanks for watching.